did you know that a single late payment could drop your credit score by as much as 100 points almost overnight? Or that keeping your credit card balance at the right percentage could raise your score faster? My name is Samira, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to increase your credit score fast in 2025. Let's get into it. First, you need to understand what makes up your credit score. Before you can raise your score, you need to know what goes into it. Your FICO credit score is made up of 5 main factors. Payment history, 35% of your score comes from paying on time. Credit utilization, 30% depends on how much of your available credit you are using. Length of credit history, 15% comes from how long your accounts have been open. Credit mix, 10% depends on the types of accounts you have. New credit inquiries, another 10% is based on how often you apply for new accounts. If you want to increase your credit score fast in 2025, focus on the areas that carry the most weight: payment history and credit utilization. Next, always pay on time. Payment history is non-negotiable. Even one 30-day late payment can cause your score to drop by as much as 100 points. If your credit score is 680 and you miss just one bill, you could suddenly fall to the high 500s. The fix? Set up autopay reminders or budgeting systems so you never miss a due date. And if you already have a late payment, call your creditor and request a goodwill adjustment. If you have a strong track record, many lenders are willing to erase a one-time mistake from your report, which can boost your score almost immediately. 3. Lower your credit utilization right away. This is the fastest hack to increase your credit score. Credit utilization is how much of your available credit you are currently using. The golden rule is to keep it under 30%, but the sweet spot is under 10%. Example, imagine you have a $5,000 credit card limit. If you owe $2,500, you are using 50% of your limit, which drags your score down. Paying that balance down to $500 drops your utilization to 10% and could raise your score within 1 to 2 billing cycles. Here's another trick. Ask for a credit limit increase. If your limit doubles from $5,000 to $10,000 and you still owe $2,500, your utilization instantly drops from 50% to 25%. That change alone can cause a noticeable bump in your credit score fast. 4. Keep old accounts open. One of the biggest mistakes people make is closing old credit cards, but the length of your credit history makes up 15% of your score. That card you opened in college? Keep it open, even if you only use it once a year. The longer your accounts stay open, the stronger your credit history looks, and the higher your score will climb over time. 5. Diversify your credit mix. Credit bureaus like to see that you can handle more than one type of debt. If all you have is revolving credit, like credit cards, consider adding an installment account, such as a small personal loan or a credit builder loan from a local credit union. Even a small loan repaid on time shows lenders that you can manage different kinds of credit, which can give your score a boost within just a few months. Finally, check your credit report for errors. 1 in every 5 Americans has at least one error on their credit report, and fixing those mistakes is one of the fastest ways to raise your score. Go to annualcreditreport.com, the only official site to download your free reports from all 3 credit bureaus, which are Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Look for mistakes like wrong balances, late payments that aren't yours, or accounts you don't recognize. Disputing even one error can add points back to your credit score in as little as 30 days. So here's the bottom line. If you want to increase your credit score fast in 2025, focus on the big wins. Pay everything on time, keep your credit utilization under 10%, never close old accounts, add variety to your credit mix, and check your credit report for errors. These strategies are proven, they're simple, and they can completely change your financial future. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more personal finance and credit repair tips, and drop a comment below with your credit score goal for this year. I'd love to see how many of you hit 700, 750, or even 800 by the end of the year.